Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-20 Kingpin Bush of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. We're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode going to be working on the 120 Kingpin brush. So we click on part, OK, and we need to change this to millimeters, mmgs. Click save, 1-20, and done. Okay, so we're going to go to top plane. Doesn't matter which plane these work on, really, so it doesn't really make a big difference at times because you can rotate when you start putting stuff together. We're going to do circle. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that one yet. I'm going to do that one's going to be 25 radius. Sorry, 25 diameter. And that's going to be 26 extrude. Yeah, it's going to be hollow, but there's a reason why I'm not doing it just yet. We need to add another piece on. So 26 is correct, yes. So that's okay. Now, this one there, normal 2. And edit. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So we're going to go center, smart dimension. That is going to be, it's going to be 32, and that's going to be 3 mil. Oop, not 2, 3, and done. Yeah, that's that done. Beautiful. Now, go back to this one, normal 2, sketch. I'm going to do another circle. Locked in the middle, so that way I know it's center. Smart dimension, this is going to be 19. Yep, 19. Now, this is going to be feature, extrude all, because I need to go through the lot, and done. Nope, we made a mistake. Through all, thank you. And done. There you go. And that is that one done. But before we do, let's go to fillet. Set that at 1 millimeter. We're going to do that one, and that one. Any others? No, looks like a lot. So just those 3 at OK. Which 1 millimeter might be too much. Oop. Let's put that at 0.5. OK. And done. There we go. Beautiful. Just take the sharp edge off. In fact, we may even do it that one and whoop, no, not that one. We don't want to face. Remove that one face. There we go. We don't want to put in here because we want that's got to be sit smooth. You put it, fill it there, it's going to interfere with it seeing smooth. There we go. And that should be good. So that's that one done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Got any comments or suggestions or whatever, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode, and thank you very much.